kasi alam kung okay ka. Pero pag minsan nakita mong hindi okay, tanungin mo ako.
Hindi pwede every time makausap.
Sa car?
And everything, yes. And sa plane, you were like this, blindfold na naman. Every time blindfold. How can I see?
Dito kanina. Dito kanina. Hindi mo man lang ako.
Yeah, ikaw din. I go out. I understand.
Then, pagising ko, okay na. Marami kayo dito. Hindi na ako lumabas. Marami na kayo dito. Si Robby, si Beauty.
Why? Why you don't come?
Masakit yung ulo.
Bakit masakit? Yung ulo?
Oo.
Bakit? Headache?
Gusto ko. Iniisip ko
Why you don't talk with Kuya? Because sometimes it's really better to talk because he understands me and he understands everything and he gives you advice. That's of course confession room tayo. And of course he knows everything and of course he wants to give you a clue, parang advice.
Alam ko, pero kanina talaga, masama. Gusto kong matulog, pero ayoko, parang gano'n. Gusto kitang makausap kanina.
Yeah, then just come and sit.
Kuya, parang si Kuya yung nagbibigay ng advice kung
Anong feelings ko? Yeah, parang anong feelings? Advice, parang okay. Tungkol ano nangyari yesterday, he gives me advice. But I don't tell you. Secret. No, it's secret. You don't understand. Oh, no, I don't like it. I make 3 times flash before I go out. Because wrong. Of course, you must go there. I go directly, whatever, and go there.
sobra kanina.
Nahiya. Sige.